Today I'm going to show you how to make plant-based, oil-free beefless crumbles for tacos, pasta sauce, lasagna, and more. These crumbles are made with mushrooms, onions, and garlic, textured vegetable protein, plant-strong broth, low-sodium soy sauce, and some spices. Let's move on to how we get this cooked up. So you're going to heat up a large skillet and get that nice and hot. Add your onions and saute those. You want to pre-prep all of your ingredients before you start cooking. So you're going to let those cook down for a few minutes. Add your garlic and you're going to dry saute those, and then add your mushrooms. And then you just continue to dry saute those. Those will release a lot of water. Once those cook down a little, you add your carton of Plant Strong veggie broth, the low sodium soy sauce, and all of the spices that you laid out. Once you've added your seasonings, you're going to stir this together really well until it's well incorporated. And you're going to want to turn up the heat a little so you bring this mixture to just a simmer. And then once you have that simmering, you're going to add your textured vegetable protein. And you're basically just going to stir that together until all of the excess liquid is absorbed and it's pretty evenly combined. And that's really it. It's super easy. Okay, let's try this beefless crumble substitute. I need to turn the heat off. Okay, here is the final product. It is oil-free and it is has no salt, so it's salt-free, but it does have a little bit of low-sodium soy sauce. Good flavor. I like the texture, especially with the mushrooms. And I think there's so many ways you can dress this up and so many applications for it. It'll be really good. I'm gonna use it tonight in my pasta sauce. And then I'm also gonna try making tacos with it and use it with a little bit of avocado to add just a little bit of that fat into the dish. So, but overall, really delicious. I think you guys will like playing around with this. So I encourage you to try it. And super high in protein. So in a quarter cup, there's only 45 calories and 8 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber. So that is great. And also there's no fat. So I love that. And it has 350 milligrams of potassium and 45 milligrams of calcium. So that's pretty cool. And it's just one ingredient, organic soy flour. So I tried this Anthony's brand, but you can try whatever brand you like. And I hope you had fun with this.